Hi guys, good morning. Mayong buntag ka natong tanan. Amazing morning to one and all. A new day has come. And today guys, the world is celebrating the Heart's Day. So the heart is located right here, no? Nasa tuang diri dughan. And we always attribute kanimo tag gugma nagig sa heart. But actually guys, scientifically speaking, wala gyud sa heart ang emotions o gugma, no? Ang emotions o ang gugma ma-perceive ni siya o originally diha na siya nag-emanate sa ato ang utok, nasa parts atong brain, okay, based on ato ang thinking process. Baka na something you love the person, ang ato ang brain nag-send siya og signal ako man ngadto sa heart mo na sometimes when we feel in love mo tibok-tibok ang ato ang kasing-kasing. But actually ang atong heart, the heart is a hollow muscular organ and it is one of the main organs of the circulatory system that pumps blood. Ang atong utok lang mag-send mo ng by the time mo kusog ang pumping sa atong heart. Right? So guys, today, since Heart's Day karon, so we need to be unsa man loving. So again, as a reminder of everyone, love is a beautiful thing and it is not an earthly thing. It is coming from God. And He demonstrated it. Siya gyud nag-demonstrate ana kanang gitawag nato love, no? Ang Ginoo gyud nag-demonstrate nato na. The reason that we are here because out of love of God. The reason that we are saved out of love of God. So ang ina nato buhaton sa ang tao lang na siya gitawag na erotic love. So reminder lang nato sa matag usa nga we need to be very careful for the day nga dili nato butangan og laing definition ng gugma, because ang gugma it's showing affection to somebody whom you dearly love, na by relationship, na by romantic relationship. But ang pinaka-importante diha nga imong affections sa usa ka tawo na dito, imong concerns sa usa ka tawo na dito, diha imong papakita ang love. Despite sa flaws o despite sa matawag nato og imperfections sa usa ka tawo, you are there to love that person. You are there to show your concern to that person. Okay? So mo na yung meaning sa love. Kanang sex, dili gid siya mo gitawag nato ang meaning sa love. Dili siya primary. No, ang sex is part of human life, but it is not the true meaning of love. Okay? So mao lang nato buhaton kay usay ang tao malahi ang iyang definition sa gitawag nato og love, maadto niya sa erotic and then ma-associate niya dito sa pleasures, no? Natin mga pleasures, erotic pleasures, o diha niya mapakita yung love, which is wrong. Okay? Love yourself, which is the most important thing. Love your God, and then love also your neighbor as you love yourself. God bless you and happy Heart's Day, everyone.